Sassi Johnny e oggi prepareremo insieme la marmellata di caimito, molto dolce e semplice da preparare. Via!
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Siya po si Mateo at ako po si Johnny. Today we are going to learn how to make star apple jam. So last time napag-aralan po natin kung paano gumawa ng star apple smoothie. That was delicious. So today we are going to make this. So let's prepare while learning Italian words, okay?
Now, let's prepare all the ingredients and all the things we need. We'll be needing 1 kilo of caimito or 1 kilo di caimito. Then, jars or barattoli. Also, we need some lemons or limoni. And lastly, we need 500 grams of sugar for 1 kilo of caimito or 500 grammi di zucchero. First, we need to sterilize the jar that we are going to use. We have to put the jar in the boiling water for about 3 minutes. To boil is bollire in Italian. Then now, we have to use the ripe star apple for our jam. We just need that soft and creamy pulp. Take away the seeds and the rind of the fruit. To use is Utilizzare. Clean the fruit by taking away the seeds. Clean is Pulire. Now, let's weigh the pulp, and it has to be exactly 1 kilo. Now, let's put 500 grams of sugar inside. Put is Mettere. Now, let's squeeze the lemon. The acid from the lemon juice will help preserve our jam. Squeeze is Spremere. Now, let's mix well all together and leave it for 30 minutes. Mix is Mescolare. After 30 minutes, we can now start to cook. Just add 1 glass of water, cook it for 1 hour, stir often. Cook is Cucinare.
Questo è il risultato. Questa è la marmellata.
Use the blender to dissolve the solid pieces until creamy texture is achieved. Cook for another 5 minutes. Now, while our jam is still very hot, let's transfer it to our sterilized jar. Turn jars upside down and set aside. Leave them the whole night. Leave is lasciare.
Good morning! Good morning! Now, we are here having a breakfast and we're so excited to try this jam. It looks wonderful.
Yes, io subukan natin questa marmellata. La apriamo? Cosa dici?
Yes, let's open.
Yeah. Io.
You open.
Ok.
Wait.
Uh,
Oh, yes.
oh my god,
The color, wow.
è buonissima.
The texture looks perfect. And game love.
Wow, wonderful. Oh my gosh. È dappertutto questa marmellata, guarda qua che buona.
Wow.
Fresca, genuina. Questa non è come quei prodotti che comprate al supermercato.
Yes, this is homemade.
Questo è fatto in casa,
Healthier.
più sano. Buonissimo.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, so sweet.
Okay, now we continue to eat.
Ok ragazzi, se il video vi è piaciuto metti un like, condividi e seguici.
So if you like our video, so just put like or comment and please subscribe to our channel.
Alright.
Thank you. See you next time again. Thank
Bye.
you. Alla prossima.
Alla prossima.